Hi guys, this is the start of like such an exciting vlog. Pinch me, I'm so excited. Okay, so basically we just have lots of fun for these next 2 days. I'm about to leave, well actually I have a nail appointment before, but that's besides the point. Basically, the big news is me and Luisa are riding podium together for one of James L's last classes in Boston because he's moving to New York and we're so sad. And basically we just we're like, let's shoot our shot. And yesterday we were like, can we ride podium for you? Like, we know it's one of your last classes, no worries if we can't, because we've always wanted to, and I have been literally riding with him for 3 years. And he was like, yeah, let's do it. So we've been so excited. So that was really last minute. And then tomorrow, Friday morning, me and Maggie have a ride together with one of our favorite instructors as well, Sarah, and it's gonna be literally so fun. So many of you signed up early and signed up for this class, and it filled up in literally like 1 second. It was insane. But I know we'll do more like this in the future, so don't worry if you like couldn't come to this one. And it's so crazy that like once I'm posting this vlog, it'll all be over already. Like, I'm just so excited. For those of you out there that like don't go to SoulCycle classes or spin classes or know what's going on at all, I always assume that everybody knows, but like obviously a lot of you live where there isn't even a SoulCycle studio. So basically it's like spin class, you ride to the beat. That sounds like funny to say, but yeah, you just ride to the beat of like the songs, and there's like really fun songs, and then the instructor's up on the podium in the front of the class, like facing the class, so that the whole class can like mirror them and follow them, if that makes sense. And a lot of times they'll get like really tired because they ride so much, or like injured or sick or anything, and they'll have riders from their class ride up on the podium while they just like walk around and talk. So that's basically what riding podium is, because I feel like I never make that clear, and I always have lots of questions of people being like, what even is that? So yes, and you can do double podium where there's like 2 people on the podium together, just doing the same things at the same time, so people can follow both of them. So it's me and Luisa this afternoon, and then tomorrow morning me and Maggie. And I'm so excited. I've done this before where I do like a SoulCycle in the afternoon and then one the next morning, and I'm always like super tired because it's like 2 pretty close to each other. But especially riding podium, it's even harder because I feel like I try so much harder just being up there with everyone watching and having to be like perfect. Like, I'm gonna be so tired tomorrow, but I can't wait. This will be so fun. Me and Luisa actually coordinated our outfits, and we both got these leggings last summer. People always ask us about them, but I don't even think you can get them anymore. Soul had them for a little bit like last summer, and so we just got them together. They're so fun. And then we're both just gonna wear black sports bras. So this is my outfit for tonight, and I just threw on like a random t-shirt on top. And then tomorrow Maggie and I still have to figure out what we're wearing. We'll coordinate something, but it's gonna be so fun. And that one especially with Maggie, because it's gonna be like all of you guys that like watch our videos and follow us in the class. And then tonight it's just gonna be like people that normally ride with James, but like I can't wait. Max just got home. Hi. Are you in? Oh no, I thought you were in your leggings for a second, that you were in your shorts. I was gonna say, are you still in your workout stuff? No. I wanted to tell you guys that I changed my shirt because I felt like with the red it just wasn't working with the leggings. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this off anyway. I just didn't want to be like naked at the nail salon. So, and Max is gonna drive me there. What an angel. Because it's like a mile away. Like, I can walk, but I don't want to. I'm so excited. We literally are so amped right now. I didn't even really need this coffee, but I just felt like I did. We're wearing our matching leggings,
and we're gonna bring the heat.
Oh, I'm so excited.
But I'm happy that you're gonna be there because I'm just gonna look at you the whole time.
I know, I would definitely be more nervous if I was up there alone. And I was telling Luisa we were like nervous 10 minutes ago because we were like, we never got the email that our bike's been moved. Because if you ride podium, they move you to like bike 59, which isn't actually bike, it's just like the one up on the podium. But we just got our emails saying that both of our bikes have been moved. I tried telling Luisa that basically my camera cut out, that I knew it was going to be set up with 2 bikes in there when we walked in, and it was. She was like, I don't think it's going to be. Getting ready. I don't think you guys understand how hard that was. I've never worked that hard before ever. I told Luisa I only get really red like this after I run.
You never get red like
that. And it's because my heart rate was probably a million. Okay, you're going to watch us take our pick.
200 already, so it's probably like 260. I'm not doing that. I was about to faint.
We're taking pictures on the timer. Hopefully it didn't seem like it,
but I was actually about to faint.
We were like really struggling up there. Hopefully no one could tell us. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at that. That's so cute.
One more time.
You know what it is? I look over literally after like song 1.5, Luisa's dripping.
I literally sweat so much.
It's literally so like she's tiny. Ew. I literally told James in our life it goes like God, then James. Luisa showed him a note on her phone of all of these like inspirational things he's ever said.
So
here is all the inspo. You guys can pause and read it.
After every class, I write whatever resonates with me.
All I remember is the time I cried the most is him yelling, "You were born with a purpose, for a purpose," and I was like,
I'm gonna miss him so much.
I know.
I'm always like, I need him to like, give me advice in my life.
Yeah, he always knows. He speaks to your soul. I also never come to Seoul with like makeup on ever. I just had a bunch of mascara.
Like he's literally like my therapist.
I know. Whenever you're like struggling with boys, you come into class and he's like, "That boy ain't
when I'm
shit."
so stressed out about boys, I'm like, I just need James. Yeah, you feel instantly better.
So everyone, if you're in New York, you're dating an angel and go to his class for us.
And go to Lisa. We lost
and Lisa, 2 angels, but we'll come visit. Basically, also, we're not ready for tomorrow at 9:30 for my ride with Maggie. I'm just seeing. I feel, yeah. Oh yeah, James is going away party tonight. He was telling us about, so we have to go. And I'm like so lightheaded.
The potato.
You're gonna juggle a potato? You can juggle? Wait, why did I not know this about you? We've been dating for 8 months.
Don't know me at all.
You know what? Okay guys, Max is back from class. It's like 9:30 and we're gonna make our HelloFresh. This is the roasted pork tenderloin. We've had this before, babe. Remember? Yeah, before we went to Arlen's hockey game. Remember that time?
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be so yummy. I made us the chicken, sausage, ricotta, ravioli yesterday. But this video, I'm working with HelloFresh. Thanks for working with me, HelloFresh, because you guys know how much I love you. And this is like literally life-saving and so convenient, you have no idea. Because when it's this late, we don't even feel like cooking. And it's all like prepped for us. All the ingredients are like measured out, just what we'll need. It has this really easy 6-step little card. I will have HelloFresh linked down below. And let's get cooking. Now Max is cutting the onions, which is really good because I can't do it because it makes me cry. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, I love that we get our simple seasonal meals delivered to our door every week, pre-measured with this 6-step little card. Also, you guys, all these HelloFresh recipes are always 2 pots and pans, like maximum, for the whole recipe, which is so nice and makes it like minimal cleanup, really easy, because I hate doing dishes. And also what I really love, if you guys remember, I used to be vegan and I used to get the plant-based HelloFresh boxes, but now I do the meat ones, the classic. And they have the veggie, they have classic, and they have family, which you can switch to easily in case one day we have family.
Whoa.
And also, you guys, I know I keep showing you this, but what I wanted to say is, see how this one's 30 minutes? They're 30 minutes like max, so that's like the longest one you'll find. This one's like one of the longer ones, but like the one I made yesterday, the ravioli, was only 20. Last thing I have to say, I know that HelloFresh is now from $6.99 a serving, which is so good because me and Max used to eat out every day. Do you remember that? It was so bad and it got so expensive, so this is like so much better from us. I also feel like their recipes are kind of foolproof, like even if you're not the most skilled of cooks. You guys can get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh if you go to HelloFresh.com and use my code GretchenG80, which I would so recommend. Literally $80 off your first month is like crazy to me because we'll go to the Whole Foods across the street here. It's so freaking expensive, and we'll literally spend $80 for like a dinner, like for like one night. I'm not even kidding. So it's just so much better this way. And if you haven't checked out HelloFresh before, like I know probably most of you have, because I feel like everybody eats HelloFresh. Like I always would see the HelloFresh boxes like in our mailroom. Like I feel like in college and these apartment complexes I've been in, like everybody eats it. But yeah, if you haven't hopped on the bandwagon now, I would try it because obviously it's so great. Yummy. Thank you. This looks so yummy. This with my finger. We've been eating so much zucchini this summer. And I'm here for it. I'm being gross, but it's really yummy. Okay, obviously it's the next morning, so I'm gonna talk quiet because Max is still sleeping. But basically, I just wanted to chat really quick. The ride yesterday with James was like absolutely crazy, and we had so much fun and like a dream come true. And I know we filmed like so much, and then we filmed dinner, and then also I didn't show this because I just didn't even bring my vlog camera. I had like just being a good sister moment that I wanted to share. Like basically just be there for the people that you care about in your life, because Lucy was just so stressed with like the end of like the first summer term here, because they like, if you think about it, they cram like a normal coursework of like a whole semester into 6 weeks in the summer. So she's just been doing so much for finals and papers and stuff, and I have just been feeling so bad. She's been like just so stressed about it and upset, and yeah, and she basically was like, don't come, like I need to like write these papers, like you're gonna distract me, whatever. But I was like, no, she needs a hug so bad. So I got her vegan ice cream and cookies from Whole Foods and brought them over to her, and it was so good to see her and hug her. And like obviously I saw her like 2 days ago. Like it's sad like not living in an apartment with her anymore, even though she's like still in Boston, but she'll go home for the rest of the summer with my mom, so then I'm gonna like miss her so much. And then when she moves to Ireland, oh my god, don't even get me started. I'm gonna be like so sad without her. But now I'm about to go to my ride with Maggie for the class that we set up with Sarah, and all you guys are coming, and it's gonna be so crazy. And I wish all of you watching this right now that wanted to come could like come, but obviously there's like 50 bikes in the class. But it's gonna be like legit so fun, and I'm so excited. And I think I'm just gonna make that a separate vlog because I feel like I've been vlogging forever now already. But I just want to thank all of you that are coming, or even all of you that aren't coming, just for like supporting me, because I don't know, it just means a lot. And I was thinking about it, and I'm like, I'm so tired, like I don't want to get up. But I'm like, all of these girls are like getting up to come ride with us, even if it's early and they're tired, or if they live like farther away. I don't know, I'm just like so grateful and so excited. And I've loved SoulCycle forever, and this has always been a dream. So just know like how much this means to me and how much you guys mean to me. Not to be emotional, but I could talk about like how much, I don't know, you guys have impacted me, and like talking with you, and you know what I mean. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this vlog. I'm gonna separate our ride into a different vlog because I'm sure I'll vlog for like 8 years. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.